Hey people, how are you? I hope that you guys are doing well. So today we are going to learn something about thermodynamics, which is again a very important topic for you guys if you are preparing for any of the other competitive examination. Now we have what we have learnt. We have learnt everything about ray optics. ठीक है, रे ऑप्टिक्स सब हो गया है हमारा. फिर उसके बाद फोर्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन के सारे चीजें हो रखी हैं. काइनेमेटिक्स भी हो रखा है अपना. एंड व्हाट एल्स, केमिस्ट्री के कुछ चैप्टर्स हो रखे हैं. एंड द केमिस्ट्री के जो रिमेनिंग है, केमिस्ट्री के रिमेनिंग चैप्टर्स जो भी है वो मैं आपको फिजिक्स खत्म करवाने के बाद सोच रहा था. फिजिक्स अभी चल रहा है तो मैं आई थॉट कि फिजिक्स वी शैल फिनिश इट एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर द chemistry part, the remaining chemistry part. Though this playlist you will find everything in this playlist. Though in this playlist you will find everything chemistry plus physics mixed. ठीक है, दोनों चीजें मिक्स्ड मिलेंगी आपको. रादर इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल गाइस, कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग क्योंकि we are coming up with the daily videos. And also if you are preparing for any of the competitive examination, question solving questions becomes the utmost priority. Fine, so go to this community post. हमारे community post में जाके देखो. You will get everyday questions and I will not stop till the last moment. I will post everyday questions. And also the Instagram, दोनों का लिंक जो है, Instagram का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. Instagram @winners guide. अगर आप उसमें देखेंगे तो हर रोज 3 पोस्ट रेडीली जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो विच इज फॉर AFCAT प्रिपरेशन, AFCAT, NDA, फिर CDS, फिर SSC CGL, या फिर आप और कोई एग्जाम ले, INET भी ले लो, या फिर आप CAPF ले लो. ठीक है, कोई भी वनडे एग्जामिनेशन आप अगर देखेंगे तो उसमें हर एक पोस्ट मिलेगा वहां पर. एंड यू कैन डिस्कस अमंग द ग्रुप ऑल्सो एंड कैन solve the question. Fine, without wasting much of our time, let us start. What we are going to learn, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics क्या होता है, and then heat, terminologies which you need to remember. Thermodynamic system and the surrounding क्या होता है, thermodynamics के laws and types of thermodynamic processes. Now guys, I will be dealing only till 10th standard. ठीक है, 10th standard, क्योंकि 10th standard के तक का लेने की कोशिश करूंगा, ले रहा हूं मैं क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन जो है ग्रेजुएशन के बाद वाले जो एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं वो सिर्फ 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक, जो एलिमेंट्री होते हैं ना, एलिमेंट्री, वही पूछा जाता है. सो it becomes very important for you guys to know the basics, right? Basics are very important. So without wasting much of our time, let us start. What is thermodynamics? The branch which deals with the movement of energy from one form to other and the relation between heat and temperature with energy and work done. Now I hope कि आपको पता है, हमने work done भी कर रखा है, work done, फिर force भी हो रखा है हमारा. work done के साथ में हमारी energy हो रखी है. energy में हमने potential energy and kinetic energy देखा था, फिर उसके बाद power देखा था हमने. so I hope कि आपने वो सारी चीज वीडियो देखी है. so if you are new, if you have not watched those videos, guys, I request you to watch those videos because those are very important for you. Fine, अभी देखो, in other terms we can define thermodynamics as the science stream that deals with the study of the combined effect of heat and work on the changes of states of matter. Now matter के ऊपर भी मैंने वीडियो बनाया. Confined by the laws of the thermodynamics. Now what are laws of thermodynamics in the next slide में बताऊंगा आपको. ठीक है, now chemical reaction which releases heat energy associated with it are converted into different usable forms based on the laws of thermodynamics. Now laws of thermodynamics, as I have said you, कि next slides में आ रहा है. Wait for it. Brace yourself. The fact that the energy can only be transformed from one form to other forms and it is used in different industries based on the energy transformation. Definitely, what we use in nowadays, it is the energy transformation which is happening, right? For example, from the mechanical energy टू हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी से हम बना रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल डायनमो, या फिर आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं क्या, हम जो उसके नीचे होता है ना, वाटरफॉल के नीचे जो भी टरबाइन या विंडमिल, ठीक है, सो क्या कर रहा है, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. सो एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो होता है वो उसकी बात बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, नाउ लुक, केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स? केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का मतलब क्या है, देखो अभी. केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स इज अ स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशन बिटवीन वर्क, हीट at chemical reaction or with the physical change of the state which are confined into the law of thermodynamics. Now if you have heard something about catalyst क्या होता है कि जो भी the things, the procedure or the substance which promote the reaction. For example, you have always heard about delta, right? Delta is what? Heat acts as a catalyst which promotes the reaction, which fasten or slower the reaction based on the requirement, definitely. ठीक है, अगर मेरा requirement अब मेरे को slow reaction चाहिए तो मैं definitely slower, जो slow करता है वो catalyst add करूंगा उस चीज में. Now some general terms like heat, energy and work done are often used in thermodynamics. Now what do you mean by internal energy? It is referred to the energy contained within the system. Now energy, for example, you consider yourself as a system. ठीक है, जो energy आपके अंदर है, the energy which is inside you, inside जो आपके अंदर energy है, उसको हम internal energy बोलते हैं. Fine. So जैसे मेरे अंदर बहुत सारी energy है तो मैं उसको internal energy बोलूंगा. Fine. So that is called as internal. In chemical reaction we know and overall energy. The energy represents the overall energy of the system and may include many forms of energy such as potential energy, kinetic energy. Now you know what is mean by potential energy and kinetic energy. In chemical reaction we know about the energy transformations and basic thermodynamics provides us with the information regarding energy change associated with the particle of the system. Fine. Now what are the factors affecting the internal energy? The internal energy of a system may change when heat passes into or out of the system. For example, हम खाना खाते हैं, वो खाना नीचे जाता है, ठीक है, पेट में जाता है, तो we are intake, the intake is happening, ठीक है, so that is the thing. And आप वर्कआउट करते हैं, आप कैलोरीज बर्न करते हैं, राइट, आप कैलोरीज बर्न करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि हीट निकलता है, आपको गर्मी लगती है. So that's the thing. Work is done on or by the system or matter leaves out of system. आप जो भी करते हैं, ठीक है, उसकी बात चल रही है. Now look, what do you mean by heat? Heat is also a form of energy, guys. Heat is also a form of energy. Now heat in thermodynamics is defined as the kinetic energy of the molecules of the substances. ठीक है, heat को हम kinetic energy बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Now heat and the thermodynamics together form the basics which help process designers and engineers to optimize their processes and harness the energy associated with the chemical reaction economically. Now definitely कोई भी आप टर्बाइन देख लो, कोई भी आप engineering की जो भी equipments होती है वो heat जरूर होती है. Fine. So that is where the engineering comes into play और economically भी play करती हैं role. Heat energy flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. Definitely. Now example अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि if you burn this side and this is the iron rod, ठीक है, and you burn from here, ठीक है. So what will happen? Now what will happen is ये पार्ट तो रेड हो जाएगा, राइट, ये पार्ट तो रेड हो जाएगा, फिर धीरे धीरे जो है आपका ये पार्ट भी गर्म होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा एंड धीरे धीरे आपकी जो है वो ये पार्ट भी गर्म होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ओवर हियर इज दिस इज द हाई टेम्परेचर, ठीक है. नाउ एनर्जी और हीट इज ट्रांसफरिंग टिल हियर, सो इट इज लो टेम्परेचर, ठीक है. सो लो टेम्परेचर इट इज, high temperature it is. So energy is transforming from high energy to low energy or high temperature to low temperature. Now definitely look for this. Heat is providing here, ठीक है. So heat पूरा फैल रहा है तभी जाके पानी उबल रहा है, right? So the process is called conduction, convection and radiation. So that process is involved in it. Now what are the terminologies which you need to remember, guys? These are very important. देखो terminologies: system, surroundings and boundary. Now क्या बोलते हैं, क्या होता है, जैसे सपोज यू कंसिडर दिस ह्यूमन बॉडी अ सिस्टम, ठीक है, एक सिस्टम करो. सिस्टम, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स विच इज अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन. डेफिनेटली वी ऑल आर अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम, ठीक है, और पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सिस्टम. कंसिडर दिस एज अ सिस्टम, ठीक है, सिस्टम, ठीक है. नाउ सराउंडिंग, व्हाट आर द सराउंडिंग? द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्स इज कॉल्ड द सराउंडिंग. नाउ सराउंडिंग ये है सब, सराउंडिंग, remaining part of the universe except me, if the human body, except this human body, everything else is the surrounding. Now what is the boundary? The surface separating system and surrounding known as the boundary. Now this is our skin will act as a surrounding. So definitely, so this, see this, so this is the surrounding, or this blue part is the surrounding, and the covering is called as the boundary, and this is the system. Fine, so that's the point. Now look, now what is thermodynamics? System and the surrounding. Thermodynamic system and the surrounding. Thermodynamics defines a system as the part of the universe under study, that is the part where observations are made. The surroundings and universe interact with each other, and depending on the type of system, exchange the matter and energies occur. The system's classification entirely depends on the movement of energy and matter in or out of the system. There are three types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Now what are these? Let us look into that fact. Now open system क्या होता है? Open system, those systems where the exchange of energy as well as matter takes place are treated as the open system. For example, water is boiled on a stove, like water is boiled on a stove. So ये ऊपर का पार्ट तो वॉल्व तो खुला है, so this is called as the open system. Open system. So without being it covered, the container behaves as an open system because it receives heat energy from an external source, and the matter is being released as the water vapor. So it is going into the environment. Now what is closed system? The closed system is referred to the system where only energy can be exchanged with the surrounding and not the matter. For example, for instance, when we keep the shielded bottle of the water in the fridge, the loss of energy to the surrounding will result in the temperature of the heat of the water inside to go down, even though the quantity of the volume of water remains same, right? They're same, but the temperature is going down. That's the point, right? That is what it is trying to say. Now look, isolated system. What is isolated system? In case of isolated system, neither energy nor matter can exchange between the system and surrounding. An example of an isolated system is a thermos flask. Thermos flask आपने देखा होगा ना, thermos flask होता है जिसमें आप पानी डाल के रखो, गर्म, अगर पानी, अगर हॉट वाटर है तो हॉट वाटर हमेशा हॉट ही रहता है, या फिर अगर आप कोल्ड वाटर डाल के रखो तो कोल्ड वाटर कोल्ड ही रहता है. सो because it is isolated from the environment, there is no transformation which can happen from the outside or inside. ठीक है, but you also have to agree on the fact that there is no 100% in physics. Everything can be, like you can achieve till 99.99%. If everything was 100%, then the water in the thermos will, if it is at 100 or if it is at say 70 degrees Celsius, the water will remain at 70 degrees Celsius throughout the life. That's 100%. But we also know कि 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस में धीरे धीरे डिग्रेड होगा वो. The point will come when it will come to 22 degrees Celsius also. So it will definitely take time, but there is no 100% which I want to say. Now what is internal energy? In thermodynamics, the internal energy of the thermodynamic system is the energy contained within it. It is the energy necessary to create or prepare the system in any given internal state. So internal energy, the name itself is the self-explanatory thing which you can understand. Enthalpy, the sum of the internal energy. See, enthalpy is given by H. H is the enthalpy. Fine. Now H is, let me change the color guys. Okay, so H is the enthalpy, E is the क्या है, E क्या है अपना, E is the internal energy, and P is the pressure, and V is the volume. ठीक है. So enthalpy is the sum of internal energy and the product of pressure and volume. See, and the product of the pressure and volume of a thermodynamic system. In symbol, the enthalpy H is equals to the sum of internal energy E and the product of the pressure P and the volume P of the system. Now what is entropy? Entropy is nothing but the randomness of a system. ठीक है, a measurement of the degree of randomness of energy in the system. The lower the entropy, the more ordered or less random and vice versa. जितनी lower energy रहेगी, एनर्जी जितनी कम रहेगी, उसकी उतनी जो randomness होगी, the lower the entropy, the more the order and less random. Less random definitely, जितनी कम एनर्जी रहेगी उतनी less random होंगे उसके सिस्टम के पार्टिकल्स. ठीक है, सो एंड वाइस वर्सा. सी द लोअर द एंट्रोपी द मोर द ऑर्डर एंड लेस द रैंडम एंड वाइस वर्सा. देखो ये हाई डिसऑर्डर एंड दिस इज लो डिसऑर्डर. डेफिनेटली लो डिसऑर्डर, देयर इज नो movement, right? That's the thing. Gallon of gas, prepared food, sunlight have low entropy. When these are used, the entropy increases. Definitely when they are used, then there will be entropy. Fine. Now what are laws of thermodynamics? Very important, listen it very carefully. First law of thermodynamics: when energy moves into or out the system, the system's internal energy changes in accordance with the law of conservation of mass. Now when energy moves into or out of system, the system's internal energy changes in according to with the law of conservation of mass. Now what is law of conservation of mass? Is the energy or mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transformed from one form to another. That's the law of conservation of mass. Now what is second law of thermodynamics? Now second law of thermodynamics states that the second law of thermodynamics notes that the process requiring the heat, energy, transport or conversion are irreversible. The state of entropy of the entire universe as an isolated system will always increase over the time. For example, look, now I'll try to explain you the state of entropy. Now what is entropy? Let us revise again what is entropy. Now entropy is the high randomness. Remember entropy as the randomness. ठीक है. Now replace it by randomness. Randomness. The state of the randomness of the entire universe as an isolated system. Now consider, definitely universe is an isolated system because we don't know anything above universe. ठीक है, so we will definitely consider the universe as the isolated system. ठीक है, isolated system. Now as an isolated system will always increase. For example, you are disturbing the randomness of the particles of the system when you switch on the fan. राइट, व्हेन यू स्विच ऑन द फैन, आप उसकी जो रैंडमनेस है वो मतलब इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. डेफिनेटली फैन जब बंद है, जब चालू नहीं है, तो पार्टिकल्स ऐसे हैं. द मोमेंट व्हेन द फैन ब्लेड स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग, तो रैंडमनेस विल इंक्रीज. सो एनर्जीज और रादर आई कैन से द एंट्रोपी. नाउ व्हाट इज एंट्रोपी? दैट इज randomness. Randomness will always increase. ठीक है, so that's the thing, because whatever you do, for example you ride a vehicle, ride a bike, fine, so what you are disturbing the randomness. ठीक है, so now look at the third law of dynamics. The entropy of a perfect crystal is absolute zero. Now a perfect crystal means like absolute zero means the minimum temperature. मिनिमम टेम्परेचर, जितना भी आप मिनिमम टेम्परेचर ले सकते हैं, उसकी जो एंट्रोपी होगी हमेशा जीरो होगी. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल आई कैन नो ओनली अबाउट -100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, उसकी एंट्रोपी जीरो होगी, बकायदा जीरो होगी, क्योंकि देयर इज नो पार्टिकल्स व्हिच कैन गिव अ मूवमेंट फॉर दैट. फाइन, आई होप कि आपको तीनों लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स समझ में आएगा. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, व्हिच इज द लास्ट स्लाइड्स, ब्रेस योरसेल्फ. Isothermal process. Now isothermal process where the temperature, T means temperature remains same. Pressure changes P1 to P2, volume changes from P1 to V1, temperature remains T, which delta T यानी change in temperature is constant or zero. Now isobaric process, pressure remains same. See, pressure is the same, but V becomes V2 and T becomes T2. Now delta P is equals to 0. Now isochoric process, volumes remains constant. See, delta V, P1 becomes P2, T1 becomes T2, but V becomes V. This is adiabatic process. Now this was isochoric process. Now adiabatic process, transfer of heat is 0, that is Q is equals to 0. Now what is cyclic process? Cyclic process is very important. Cycle मतलब पता है ना, जहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं वहीं पर आके खत्म होता है, वैसे वही When a system undergoes different number of processes and finally returns to its initial state is known as cyclic process. Guys, with that I end up the video. Now if you have any more doubt, you can definitely comment. Now you can definitely comment in the comment section कि क्या डाउट है आपको, क्या क्या आपको कोई भी चीज पूछना आप definitely पूछ सकते हैं. Now I have a humble request from you guys is to consider subscribing. क्योंकि कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग द यूट्यूब, हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल ऑल्सो एंड इंस्टाग्राम चैनल, इंस्टाग्राम विनर्स गाइड जिसका लोगो आपको यही मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, और क्यों आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है यूट्यूब में, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, वापस बता देता हूं. गो एंड ट्राई टू वॉच कम्युनिटी पोस्ट, दैट इज द मोस्ट प्राउड थिंग विच आई हैव एवर डन. एंड इंस्टाग्राम अगर मैं आपको इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में बताऊं, इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में अगर मैं कुछ भी बताऊं, तो डेली आई हैव 3 पोस्ट, इंग्लिश प्लस जीके प्लस मैथमेटिक्स. नाउ दीज ऑल आर द AFCAT questions. Now at the moment I am focusing on AFCAT. There will be a time when I will be focusing on NDA, CDS, CAPF and और कौन से एग्जाम है अपने INET, SSC, CGL. ठीक है, और बहुत सारे एग्जामिनेशन जो वन डे एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं ना, वन डे एग्जामिनेशन उसके बारे में फोकस कर रहा हूँ. सो एवरी डे यू कैन कॉमेंट ऑन देयर, लाइक उसके इंस्टाग्राम के पोस्ट पे एंड कैन डिस्कस. ठीक है, सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस environment for you guys to be surrounded by questions. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑल्सो. वहां पर मैं ही आंसर करता हूं, मैं ही आपको बताता हूं कि क्या आंसर है, परफेक्ट आंसर, एंड आई रिप्लाई टू ऑल द कमेंट्स इन यूट्यूब ऑल्सो एंड इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो. ठीक है, विद दैट आई विल एंड दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. हैव अ गुड डे.